In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your emo country. Before we get started, it's important to know that emo does not have a separate country setting that you can manually edit. Instead, your country is tied to your phone number and the country code connected to that number. So if you want to update your country in emo, you'll need to change your phone number to one from your new country. First, open the emo app on your device. Once the app is open, look for your profile picture and tap on it. This will take you into your account area where you can access more settings related to your profile and security. From there, tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, find and open Accounts and Security. This section contains the options related to your phone number, account access, and verification settings. Next, tap on Change Phone Number. After that, select Change Number to begin the process. At this stage, emo will ask you to enter your old phone number first. Make sure you type in the number currently linked to your account since this helps confirm that you're updating the correct account. Once that's done, enter your new phone number. Before you continue, tap on the country code field. This is the key part of changing your country in emo. Select your new country from the list and then enter the rest of your new phone number carefully. Double check the number before moving on, because even a small mistake can prevent you from receiving the verification code. When everything looks correct, tap Next. IMO will then send a verification code to your new phone number. Enter the verification code when prompted. This step confirms that you have access to the new number and allows emo to complete the update securely. After you finish verification, your phone number will be updated, and that means your country in emo will be updated as well. Since emo uses your phone number and country code to determine your country, there's no separate option you need to change after that. As a final tip, make sure your new number is active and able to receive messages before starting this process. It's also a good idea to enter everything slowly and carefully to avoid errors during verification. That's how to change your emo country by updating your phone number and country code.